I hope you have successfully installed the Python as well as the PowerPoint package. Today I'm going to show you how to make grade school index card in PowerPoint using Python. So let me first show you the final effect. Title page, first page countdown, and second page countdown, third page. As you can see, one word for each slide. There are about 100 words here. So our second step is find the words. You should be easily finding the list. Here you can find in Google. And this is K, and this is first grade words. And what I'm going to do is I will select all of this and then copy. Now it's step 3, prepare the PowerPoint. Create a new PowerPoint, insert a new slide, and put in the title. See, here is Word War Words for grade 1. Once done, so go into View, Slide Master. Change the layout of your title slide and make it a very large font, say 200. The font you can use Arial or any other fonts you like. In here, I am also adding a timer, and what I do is I put in a GIF file. So just Google it and find the good-looking timer. And now just save it somewhere that you can find it. Back to your slide master, just insert that GIF file. Now it's done. Go to slide master and close. Close your PPT, and now the last step is write the code. Let's open your Spider. The first line is to import the presentation library from pptx. And the second line is to import the words. Where do you exactly get those words? You remember that we copied those words in Google, and just copy them and put them paste in the address bar. This is very important. And then copy this list again. In line 10, put those words in there with quotes from two ends. Now we have the string with the list of the words. The next line will use the text english.pptx, which is the one we created as a template for the layout 0. This is a title page. Next, we will use loop to add one slide with one word, and the len text list is the number of words in the list. Just run the program, and it will save over the text english.pptx. Going back to the program, now you have a full list of the words in grade 1 in one PowerPoint.